Hi, I'm Matthew Peasy, and we're going to talk about how you can create motion paths inside of After Effects. Anytime you control spatial properties of an object inside of After Effects over time, you're going to end up with a motion path. What we're going to do is take a look at how we can work with that motion path. In this composition, I have this red circle, and what we're going to do is animate it. So I'm going to go ahead and place a keyframe for the position property at the beginning of the timeline. Then I'm going to move the time indicator towards the right to add some time. I'm going to go ahead and add another keyframe to the position property. At that point, leaving the time indicator on the last keyframe, I'm going to move the object to the other side of the composition. This creates an animation, and you'll notice once it creates the animation, you'll see a path. This path has a couple different points, and these points represent the keyframes within the timeline. For example, here on the first keyframe, we can see this large box. If you click and drag, you can move the location of the circle, therefore changing the position on that keyframe. The same is true on the other side of the animation. You can click on the last keyframe, which will highlight the box, and you can go ahead and move it. If you move the time indicator in between the two keyframes and move the circle somewhere, you'll notice that a new point has been added to the motion path. Additionally, you'll see these little handles. These handles give you the ability to reshape the path. Once you reshape the path, you can press the space bar on your keyboard to see what your new animation looks like, as this circle follows that motion path. Motion paths are important inside of After Effects because they give you ultimate control over your animation.